Every day, compact flagships are getting harder to find, and the most current ones have larger proportions. However, they are still around and put on incredible concerts. The most recent model is the Xiaomi 13, which shares the same hardware as the Pro version, but has worse cameras, a lower battery, and a smaller screen. Until the Samsung Galaxy S23 is released, there is only one handset that can be regarded as this phone's best opponent. We are obviously referring to Apple's iPhone 14 in this sentence. Here is a comparison between the key features of the Xiaomi 13 and the iPhone 14. To compete with an icon is really difficult. The distinctive and high-quality design of the iPhone 14 will appeal to a lot of people. The phone features an aluminum frame and glass back. It has the same notch and camera module as the most recent iPhones, but it has improved water resistance thanks to its IP68 certification, which allows it to withstand submersion up to 6 meters deep without suffering any damage. Last but not least, because it has a smaller display than the Xiaomi 13, it is more compact. With the Xiaomi 13, you truly get a fresh design that has an aluminum frame, glass back, and flat display with a high screen-to-body ratio. Although it has the IP68 certification, its water resistance is subpar because it can only withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep. Even if the iPhone 14 offers a better color reproduction, the Xiaomi 13's display appears more intriguing. It has a 6.36-inch diagonal OLED panel with a larger diagonal, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, compatibility for Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus certification, and an in-display fingerprint reader. The Apple iPhone 14 boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, with a standard refresh rate of merely 60 Hz, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, Dolby Vision compatibility, and HDR10 certification. The operating system, rather than the hardware, plays the most part in how well these two phones work. Although the iPhone 14 has less powerful hardware than the iPhone X, it is nevertheless able to function better because of EO's improved optimization. They both have flagship-class hardware departments. According to this, the iPhone 14 has a 3.23 GHz maximum speed Apple A15 Bionic CPU, 6 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of native storage. You may obtain a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, up to 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 native storage with the Xiaomi 13. It has a maximum clock of 3.2 GHz. Better cameras are included with the Xiaomi 13 on the back. It contains 3 cameras on the back: a 12 megapixels ultrawide lens, a 10 megapixels telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixels primary sensor with optical image stabilization. The iPhone 14 only has two 12-megapixel sensors, including the main camera and an ultra-wide one, hence it unfortunately lacks a telephoto sensor. Comparing the Xiaomi 13's battery to the Apple iPhone 14's battery reveals that it is significantly larger. Its capacity is 4500 mAh, as opposed to the smaller device's 3279 mAh. Due to iOS 16's improved energy consumption optimization, the change in battery life is not very significant. However, because the Xiaomi 13 supports 67-watt fast charging and 50-watt fast wireless charging, there is a significant variation in the charging speeds. The starting price of the Xiaomi 13 in China is about equivalent to $584 or 550 euros at current exchange rates, whereas the price of the iPhone 14 is $790 or 744 euros. Which one option would you pick? Write your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you soon.